Hey welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sanele. So today I'll be unboxing my order from Take a Lot. Stay tuned. So today I'm taking content creation seriously. So I bought equipment that would elevate my quality. So if you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back again. So I've bought what do you call it? I bought backdrops because I don't like my background and I feel like the quality is not giving with all the colors behind me. So I wanted something stable, one color, a solid background. That's what I needed. So this is what I bought. So I spent, how much did I spend? Let me check. So I got the backdrop kit stand and a white backdrop woven. It's in a size 2.8 times 3 millimeters, if I'm not mistaken. So let's open this package. It says a white photography 2.8 times 3 milli times 3M moving backdrop. It's so big. Wow. It's huge. So huge. So I'll be having I'll be doing photoshops in my room. Wow. Wow. So big, so big. Let me stand up. It's huge. It's big. So big. So on this box, this big box, we have a 2.6 times 3M backdrop stand kit. This is the stand. I believe I bought the T stand. Yeah, I remember buying the T one. So let's open this baby up. Let's open it up. So I already have here these two, I don't know what they're called. That's two. That's 4. It comes in a bag. Not sure if you can see. like huge bag. This is what the bag is giving. Skin. I like it. So huge. It's big. So I'm not sure if I can show you. I'm showing you. Wow. Now this is what we have. So I'm gonna put it down. This is how. Okay, now. Is it stand, tripod stand, whatever? I can even use it. All right, one. I have four. These are four. Yeah, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another one. There's nothing else in the bag. Oh. So I must say the quality is so excellent. I love it. The quality is great. I'm impressed. So I'm going to assemble it and then show you the final product. Doesn't come with a manual, so I don't know how I'm going to assemble it, but we are going to try. There's no manual here. I'm going to search for a video how to assemble it, and I'll come back. Okay, I'm back. I finally figured out how to do it. So with these two, you squeeze here. There's a hole. You see this hole and those two. So I'm just gonna squeeze and slide it. Squeeze in. You see? And this is the final result. I couldn't continue filming because I ran out of storage, but this is how big it is. So it is perfect for photo shoot. I highly recommend this